Blah. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, it's ATechFlow. In this video we will speak about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and the Vivo X200 Ultra. People are usually can decide which phone it's go for, which is better and which is more usable, but there is a lot of video you can watch on the YouTube these days about the camera comparisons, and yeah, it's reliable, some of are not reliable, but I don't want to really speak about the technical information because you can find it everywhere, and it will be on my channel, both phones, the review, so you can check the details and everything. This time around I want to speak more about using the phones day by day, like everyday basis, you know. Because the Vivo X200 Ultra China only, so it's not a global variant, where the Xiaomi have. So you can decide after the video it's worth for you import the Vivo X200 Ultra, or you can skip and go for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Let's figure it out. Of course it will be samples, camera comparison, but honestly guys, it's not that much difference. You know, people thinking the Vivo X200 Ultra is the best camera, and I admit it could be the best camera, yes. But the Xiaomi, it's not that far behind. Like, I see some videos and I not understand how is the Xiaomi is in the last place. Like example, I see one video where was the Honor Magic 7 Pro, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max comparison. And the Xiaomi 15 Ultra was the last place. And I checked the pictures and everything, and I don't know, but you see it's sometimes it's just not reliable. Like, it's much better this phone, like some videos you can see, and where they putting in the last place the Xiaomi 15 Ultra because of the quality of the pictures, the everything. No, it's not true, and it's not honest. It's edited. It's 99% edited, because I own them and I see with my eyes that Xiaomi is a brutal good camera. But people, I don't know, making videos like the S25 Ultra is better, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is better. No, it's not. I had them. I had the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I had the S25 Ultra, and not even close to the Xiaomi. Hello? The Xiaomi 15 Ultra, as I mentioned, have global variant, yes? So it's working the Google Play, Android Auto, everything what you want, where the Vivo you can buy only from China, so import here in the UK, example. But I have to say, the OriginOS is so far the best UI for me, so don't kill me, but for me, the best UI I ever seen of any phones. I promise you. That customization level what Vivo have, it's like unreal. It's seriously, you can actually set up the charging animation, when you connect the USB, which animation want to see, like everything, even the fingerprint, after the fingerprint effects, blah blah. So it's like wow, it's so brutal. I will make a special video for the OriginOS because it's worth it. You guys, you have to see it. It's so good, so refreshing. It's like fully customizable and everything. It's a wow. Absolutely, it's a wow factor actually. But I wanted to tell you about the restrictions. So yes, this is global variant, yes, and this is China only. I can't confirm the Android Auto, it's work or not. I seen some reviews and I read some forums, it's working, but even I see that people say it's not. So country restriction, or I don't know. Sorry guys, but I can't test it because I don't use Android Auto. But I have to say the Google backups. Example, I am in the HSBC UK, here in the UK, and it's working flawlessly. It's like no problems. The Google Pay, it's working same flawlessly. I can just pay, so it's no issue at all. Apart from that, I can test it out because at the moment I don't have any wearables, but people say it's not really good connection with the watches and stuff. Apart from those stuff, the OriginOS working flawlessly. With the Google, absolutely. So you can use your Gmail, the YouTube Studio, Apple Music, whatever. You just download the App Store as a normal Android global variant, and you can install almost everything. So for me, it's working flawlessly. So as you can see, I don't even really have any bloatware or stuff like that. So it looks like a global Android now, absolutely. But I will make a video how to get rid of the bloatware, which have a massive amount, 34 if I could remember, but under 1 minute you can delete everything. So after it will be, you won't see any. It's mostly games and stuff and a lot of icons which I can't read because it's but this video is coming soon with the OxygenOS. OxygenOS? With the OriginOS. With the OriginOS customization possibility and stuff like that. So how to use them in the real life, you asking? Personally, I can say it now. I like the Vivo much better than the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. And because of the customization, the battery, and just more, I don't know how to say. It's just somehow more easier to use. Everything is so obvious, like just boom, 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 like an iPhone. Yes, it yes, it have a dynamic island like the iPhones, of course. And my main phone is always an iPhone because the ecosystem and stuff. No, it's because I'm iPhone user. It's like 12 years from iPhone 4 I'm using iPhones. So usually my main phone is always an iPhone and the secondary phone Android. And this year this will be my secondary phone, that's 100%. This is very iPhone-ish. I have the dynamic island. I have some widgets which is like copy from the iPhone, is 100%. So with this UI you can see a lot of familiar apps and widgets and a lot of stuff like that, let's say. So let's speak about the unboxing. The Xiaomi global variant have the paperwork, SIM ejector and the cable, the standard, and they pack the case, so it's okay. The Chinese version probably get even a charger, which the Vivo gives you because of the Chinese variant. So you get a case, a SIM ejector tool, a paperwork, and a 90-watt charger. So the battery here is 6000 mAh carbon silicon, and here is 5410 mAh carbon silicon. The Chinese variant of the Xiaomi have 6000 as well, like the Vivo. In daily uses, let's say the Vivo is a bit better. Of course, it's bigger battery, the same chipset, Snapdragon Elite. So I don't know about how they optimize the UI, but let's say it's 2-3 hours more screen on time, which means like almost close to the 2 days if you're not a camera heavy user. But the Xiaomi as well, no problem, 1 day, 1.5 day. It depends on how heavy using the cameras, because the cameras, both those phones, is like draining the battery like the hell. The charging time is, let's say, is the same, 35-40 minutes both. On the Vivo side you can choose whenever you're charging. On the lock screen you have options to choose from fast charging to the super fast charging. I usually just put it on fast charging because I'm not rushed, so it's enough. Okay, let's speak about the design. Design wise, those phones, if you see, it's closely the same. Very nice matte finish on the sides. Down you can put the SIM. The left side of the phone has nothing. The right side of the phone have the power buttons and the volume rockers. In the top you have antennas, and the Vivo have the secondary speaker, while the Xiaomi was implemented under the display. Both of have a massive big camera bump and almost the same weight, so you not really feel that much difference, absolutely. In the hand, I say it's both very good. Both very good because it's a bit curved on the sides, very bit, and the display. And now we can speak about the displays. So the display here is 6.73 inch AMOLED screen, and here is 6.82 AMOLED screen, as you can see, and it's slightly curved. So it's flat displays, but the glass is slightly curved on the four side and both of the phones. So I don't know, I like it. A lot of people like the flat display, some people like the curved display, and this is, I think, it's between them, because it's flat display, just the glass it's a bit curved by the four side, and you get both of the phones screen protector installed. Screen protector installed out of the box. A lot of people don't like it. I usually keep it because it don't bother me. Like, the fingerprint reader is same both of the phones. It's not anymore optical, so it's ultrasonic, both of them. So it's very fast, absolutely no issue at all, even with the screen protector. The brightness is absolutely good. Both of the phones, you can use it on the bright sun, you can watch videos, scrolling internet, Facebooking, social media, whatever. In the direct sunlight of the display, you can see everything, both of them. Absolutely, I can say this better or this better, no. Same good, absolutely 100%. The performance and benchmarks. I don't really do performance and benchmark tests because I don't play on the phones. I have computer. Look, these both phones have Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite. They have 16 GB of RAM and 512 storage option. The Xiaomi side, I think the global variant only have the 512, but I'm not sure. But the Vivo, you can get 256 GB up to 1 TB. Okay, let's just speak about those cameras because everybody waiting. So what the YouTubers say, I see a lot of them very close to each other. You can get wrong, you buying this one or that one, doesn't matter, it's the same almost and everything. So I can tell you what is better for you. You will see on your eyes, like I like this one or that one. Come on, no, that's better camera. I truly say, honestly, you will see on the pictures, more detailed camera. The zoom is better, the macro shots are insane. Yes, it's good as well, but not that good. No. I see a lot of reviewers and they, I don't know, they try to be like a 50-50, but it's not 50-50. That's better. And one of my favorite YouTuber, it's Average That Tech. He was the first in the UK who had the first impression, the review and the unboxing of the Vivo X200 Ultra. And I totally agree with him. This is the best camera phone of the world, 100%. I don't say nothing about the specs and the details because there is reviews, there is everything spoken already. But daily use, click and shoot, macro, zooming, what I using personally, I found that much better for me. You will see the pictures anyway and you can decide, but I telling you, it's not the same as you see in real life. So guys, let's check now the samples and decide by yourself which one you like better. This phone, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, using Leica variant, and the Vivo X200 Ultra using the vivid mode. But they still have a lot of modes like Leica Vibrant, Leica Vivid, and there is ZEISS and a lot of style, so you can choose, but I just using those because this is the most popular. So let's go, enjoy. Okay guys, let's wrap this up. So the question is, which phone I recommended to you? The Vivo. That's 100%, it's like no question. Everything is, my opinion, better than the Xiaomi. Xiaomi, very good phone. Xiaomi, yes, absolutely. But the prices, that's in the global version, it's in the UK, 12.99. That's 1300 GBP. And this one, if you import it from Wanda Mobile, example, £840. Plus, if you want to get it faster, it's a 3 to 7 days business day delivery, extra 22 quid. So let's count it, £866. So 866, 1300. And it's better. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra have the Chinese version, which is 770. So it's cheaper, the Chinese version, than this one. That's keep in mind. So if you are happy with the Chinese version, go for the Chinese version. I recommended this phone. Day by day use, with the cameras, with the design, everything. I like the red one of the Vivo, but I get this one because I'm more, if you see, white lover. So yes. So in the end, if you buy the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, you will be happy. Absolutely, that's alright. But if you buy the Vivo X200 Ultra, you will be super happy. Believe me. Alright guys, so that was the Xiaomi 15 Ultra versus the Vivo X200 Ultra comparison. I know it's not like the same, like putting 25,000 pictures and this is and this is and this is, and they saying this is this better brightness, this is better contrast, this is no. This is about how to feel to use it. And I feel this is much better to use and it's very refreshing in the UK using a China ROM actually. I was a little bit skeptical, but absolutely. That's, I say now guys, for me personally, phone of the year. For me, this is phone of the year, cameras of the year. That's it. I love this phone. Absolutely love this phone. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe if you want tech like this. And it's coming in the near future, some accessories, really good accessories for your mobile phones and laptops and gaming stuff. So hit a like and I'll see you in the next one.